Good evening, everyone. We'll start the session in a few minutes, okay? Good evening, everyone. So, a warm welcome to all of you to IPSR. So, thank you all for joining this session on LinkedIn marketing as part of our YARN internship program. This YARN internship is offered as a CSR project and as part of IPSR 25th Jubilee Year celebration exclusively for the students from IPSR's client institutions. So you can alternately attend this session through YouTube live streaming, which will be available on the link given in the chat. So about IPSR, it is led by a team of academicians and entrepreneurs. IPSR is a public limited IT company with 25 plus years of expertise in software product development, training services, placement services, and web-based services. During the last 2 decades, IPSR has worked with over 500 academic organizations, including government universities, autonomous colleges, technical and non-technical institutions. IPSR's training division conducts faculty development trainings, seminars, in the education, IT, and ITES domain. IPSR was the training partner for the Technical Education Quality Improvement Program, a World Bank assistance project executed in government engineering colleges by the Indian Ministry of HRD. IPSR is the world's leading Red Hat training and certification partner with 37 national and international awards and produced the highest number of Red Hat professionals in the world. So far, IPSR has trained candidates from 60 plus countries. IPSR's IT Services Division is a pioneer in development of academic solution products incorporating cutting-edge technologies like artificial intelligence, data analytics, and machine learning. IPSR offers specialized services and solutions for the educational sector, ranging from simple websites to complex software applications that help to manage academic and operational activities like question paper generation, campus automation, accreditation processes like NAC, NBA, etc., and OBE, outcome-based education. So IPSR's placement division has 1,600 plus placement tie-up companies and are conducting recruitment on all these. So I request all of you to turn on your videos for 30 seconds as we would like to take a screenshot for the documentation purpose. So I request everyone to turn on your videos. I once again I request everyone to turn on your videos. Thank you all. Thank you everyone. So now let us move on to our session. So in today's session, Jelit Mathews Joseph, Professional Studies Coordinator, Marian College Kuttikanam, Personal Branding Expert. He is currently coordinating and handling the Professional Study Wing of the Commerce Department, where additional training is provided for professional courses like 𝗺cie UK, CIMA UK, CMA US, CA India, and CMA India, along with the regular UG and PG courses. Jelit Mathews Joseph is a personal branding and social media marketing expert based in Kerala, helping students, professionals, startups, and businesses craft strong online identities. So, with experience as a teacher and coordinator in professional studies, Jelit combines industry insights with actionable branding strategies. He specializes in guiding individuals who want to make an impact, build a recognizable personal brand, and connect with the right audience on platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. So, whether you are a startup founder, business professional, student, or freelancer, Jelit provides practical guidance on personal branding, content creation, and SEO to enhance online visibility and unlock new opportunities. He has helped founders and professionals build magnetic personal brands and run digital marketing campaigns that make brands unforgettable. He has transformed 1,000 plus professionals through LinkedIn coaching, mentored 2,000 plus students to craft their dream careers. So I now hand over the session to Jen.
Okay, am I audible to everyone? Hello.
Yes, you are audible.
Yeah, thank you for confirming. Yeah, let me share my screen. Hope my screen sharing is visible to everyone. Hello, can anyone confirm?
Yes.
Yeah. So, hello everyone, good evening. Good evening. Hello everyone, good evening. No response. Yeah, now it's coming. Yeah. So, welcome to today's session on personal branding through LinkedIn. My name is Jelit Mathews Joseph. I'm thrilled to be here with all of you. Today we have over 42 plus 28, around 70 plus attendees joining us from different locations. I want to take a moment to thank you all for being here. This session is going to be interactive, engaging, and full of practical insight that will help you use LinkedIn to grow your career and finding opportunities and build a strong personal brand. Okay. Before we begin, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to IPSR for organizing this workshop and providing us with this fantastic platform. I was eagerly looking forward to connect with you, all of you, brilliant minds today. Unfortunately, I have come down with a fever and my voice isn't as strong as usual. I usually conduct face-to-face workshop where we create and customize LinkedIn profile together. But since this is a short online session, we will able to cover only the basics. Okay, so let us do an activity. Type in the chat. If you are new to LinkedIn, type 1. Type 2 if you are using LinkedIn but feel like you are not getting much out of it. Type 3 if you are already an active user and want advanced tips. Okay. There are a lot of 1s, 2s, 3. Yeah. I see a mix of beginners, intermediate users, and even more some LinkedIn Pro users. That's great. No matter where you are in your LinkedIn journey, I'll promise there will be valuable takeaways for everyone today. So let's get started. Just wait 1 second. Yeah. So before we begin, there are 2 rules for sitting in my session. The rule number 1, the room is safe to make mistakes. Mistakes should be ethical, legal, and moral. And second rule is never hesitate to ask. Everyone agreed? Hello? Yes, sir. Okay. So the first activity, Google your name right now and take a screenshot. Google your name right now and take a screenshot. Google your name right now and take a screenshot. Okay, how many of your name appeared first? How many of your name appeared first? How many of your name appeared first? Yes, Ashna Jacob. Okay, great. Manyaraj, okay. Only 2. How many of your LinkedIn profile appeared first? How many of your LinkedIn profile? How many of your LinkedIn profile appeared first? Sure. Me, 𝗀𝗨𝘁 Sivaraj. Okay. Okay. Anilakshmi, yes. Okay. Durga, okay. So if I look you upon Google and didn't find anything about you on the first page of result, that is your personal brand. If I found an old LinkedIn profile or a bunch of random social media, that too is your personal brand. Make sense, everyone? So, next question, why should you use LinkedIn? 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 No response again, no response. 47 participants. Why should you use LinkedIn? Hello, everyone, please respond. For better job opportunities. Okay, very good. To get more about jobs. Okay, very good. Connect with a professional. Let me some answers in chat box. Job opportunities. Okay. Connect with professional. Get know more about job opportunities for job opportunities. Okay. How many of you have seen this article? How many of you seen this article? From YouTube to show our talents to recruiters. Oh, great, great, great. Okay. How many of you have seen this article? How many of you have seen this article? Okay. Now, the highlight of this article is 85% of hiring managers check LinkedIn when evaluating candidates, underscoring it's a pivotal role in recruiting process. So, why LinkedIn is important? So today we are going to build your personal brand using LinkedIn. LinkedIn is your superpower, whether you are a student, job seeker or CEO. Today I'll teach you how to use it. So did you know that LinkedIn has over 1 billion users worldwide? Every minute, 6 people are hired through LinkedIn. 90% of recruiters and hiring managers use LinkedIn to find job candidates. This means LinkedIn is not just a social media platform. It is a career building tool. You can use it to find better job opportunities, connect with industry leaders, learn from top professionals, build your personal brand. Your profile is your 24 into 7 salesperson. Okay, before we begin, 3 mindset changes required to use LinkedIn effectively. The number one change is to stop treating LinkedIn as a job portal. It is a networking platform. Change number two, there are no predefined steps to use LinkedIn, which means what works for you will not work for me and vice versa. Change number three, your LinkedIn your LinkedIn profile is not your resume. LinkedIn profile not is just one page resume. It is your professional brand story. Am I clear to everyone? So what are the 3 mindsets required to use LinkedIn effectively? The first one is stop treating LinkedIn as a job portal. It is a networking platform. The second one is there are no predefined steps to use LinkedIn. And the third thing is LinkedIn is not your resume. Am I clear to everyone? Hello. Yes, okay. So why I use LinkedIn? See, this is how I get message and connect with people on LinkedIn. So these first two are the messages that I have received from recruiters. Who is Saji Vincent from Malayalam Manorama, Bijna Balan from EY, and I have connected with Bijo Benjamin for a freelancing work. This is how I use LinkedIn. Okay, so what is your purpose of using LinkedIn? If I ask you today, what is your purpose of using LinkedIn? What is your purpose of using LinkedIn? Can I see your answers in the chat box? What is your purpose of using LinkedIn? Again, no response. Hello. To get a job. Okay, fine. To connect with recruiters. Okay. Suppose you are a business owner. What is your purpose of using LinkedIn? Suppose you are a business owner. What is your purpose of using LinkedIn? Suppose you are a business owner. What is your purpose of using LinkedIn? Suppose you are a business owner. Hello, please respond. To advertise, okay. Maximum to maximize our brand visibility and for recruiting, okay. From YouTube, self-branding, promotion of our products. Okay, first started for job searcher, now not using, okay, fine. To find best employee, hire qualified people if possible. To advertise, finding suitable candidates, to find good talents, to hire employees, build our brand. Okay. So mainly we use LinkedIn or Instagram. Businessmen use social media platform to get some client so that you can boost up your business, right? Engage with industry, advertising to get more. So basically we use to get some clients so that you can boost your business. Okay, that's why you are using it. But that is not your purpose. That is just a reason why you are using LinkedIn. When you add some specific element to your reason, it become your purpose. Your purpose need to be specific. Okay, your specific reasons become your purpose. So now let's see how to make a reason specific. So we can make this reason specific. I need at least 20 clients in the span of next 3 months by use of LinkedIn, and those clients how to be from IT domain. So we started from here. What is your purpose? Suppose you are a business owner and what is your purpose of using LinkedIn? To get some clients so that boost your business. So that is not your purpose. That is a just reason why you are using your LinkedIn. You have to add some specific element to your reason. It become your purpose. Your purpose need to be specific. Your specific reason become your purpose. So now let's see how to make a reason specific. I need at least 20 clients in the span of next 3 months by using LinkedIn, and those clients have to be from IT domain. So again, I am asking the same question. What is your purpose of using LinkedIn? Many of the candidates or the participants are to get a job in any domain. So for example, business analyst domain. Actually, this reason is not specific. So a reason is enough only to start your journey, but to the end you need a purpose. So when you said you need a job, you were not specific. Now, once you become specific, you're focused on 4 parts. You need a job in business analyst domain. You need a job in Technopark Kochi. You need to get a job in next 1 month. You need to get job in Big Four company. So you have to focus on your purpose. You have to be specific on your purpose. So earlier you have only one purpose to use LinkedIn, that is to get a job in any domain. That should be business analytics domain, that should be digital market, etc., etc., or you have to be an accountant. But that a reason is enough to start your journey on LinkedIn, but to the end you need a specific purpose. When you said you need a job, you were not specific. Now once you become specific, you have to focus on 4 parts. You need a job in business analyst domain. You need to get job in Technopark Kochi. You need to get a job in next 1 month, and you need to get a job in a Big Four company. So actually it is more like converting your reason of using LinkedIn into a purpose by adding some specific element to it. So from here we can get ideas. So like, what should be the frequency of your content? How often do you put comment on others' posts? What kind of comment you should post? How to reach out people? How to send messages? How to send personalized invite? If you have your purpose ready, you will figure out the answers of all these questions by yourself. You will figure out what kind of content you need to put, how frequently you put the content, and every questions like that. I hope you are clear with the purpose. Now your purpose is ready. I hope everyone is clear with this topic. Make sure that before you starting using LinkedIn, you have to clear about your purpose. Am I clear to everyone? Yes. Okay. Yes. So earlier, your purpose of using LinkedIn is just like to get a job. You have to convert that purpose into specific reason, or converting that reason into specific purpose. So next we are going to build our profile. So building an impressive LinkedIn profile. So first you have to be careful about your mail ID. If possible, get full name as your mail ID. That is the first activity. First you have to be careful about your mail ID. If possible, get full name as your mail ID. I hope everyone has a LinkedIn profile. Okay. Next activity. Let me stop my screen sharing and okay. So second activity, you have to edit your custom URL. Hope you can see my screen. It's a Instagram reel. Hope you can see me. Yeah. Want your LinkedIn profile to appear first when you Google your name. For this, you have to change your custom URL. To do this, click on the Me icon in your LinkedIn homepage. Click on View Profile. Click on Edit Public Profile and URL on the right side. Here, click the edit icon next to your URL. Personalize your URL and click save. Make sure that you don't use space, symbols, or special characters. And the most important thing, custom public profile URL are available on a first come, first serve basis. So make sure that you claim yours soon. Do you want your link? I hope it's clear for everyone. If you have any queries, you can ask your doubt. First, you have to customize your custom URL. Second is your profile picture. So, things to remember while setting your profile picture. This is your LinkedIn profile circle. First, make sure you are properly groomed for your pic. Second one, use a high resolution image. Don't use a selfie or a group pic. Okay, you have to put a professional photo. Professional photo doesn't mean a passport size photo. Your profile has to be pleasant and smiling. Fifth one, if you are wearing a light colored dress, your background should be dark and vice versa. Use a simple background. Imagine the circle is to imagine the circles to be your space of your profile pic. Give enough headroom. You have to give enough headroom between your head and the stroke of your profile picture, and make sure that 70% of space is your face. 70% of face should be visible, and make sure that 20% of your shoulder is visible to everyone. And if you are a student, make sure that your college ID card is visible to everyone. And last thing, use LinkedIn filters wisely. Okay, so let me repeat one more time. First, you make sure that you are properly groomed for your pic. Second one, use a high resolution image. Don't use a selfie or a group pic. You have to put professional photo. Professional photo doesn't mean that you have to use passport size photo. Your profile photo should be pleasant and smiling. If you are wearing a light color dress, then your background should be dark. And if you are wearing a dark colored dress, your background should be light. Use a simple background for your profile picture, and imagine that this circle is circle to be the space of your profile picture. Give enough headroom, and 70% of this space should be your face. Make sure that 20% of your shoulder is visible. And if you are a student, make sure your college ID card is visible. Use LinkedIn filters wisely. I hope it's clear to everyone. Hello. Yes, I got a lot of yes. Hope it's clear to everyone. It's clear, Harry. Thank you. Okay, Atulya Shivaraj. Yes. Okay, next the background image. Background image should tell who you are. Let's see some examples now. These are the cover pics of Matt Gray, Christo, Ali Abdal. Very crisp and professional background. They speak volume about the person. Hope you got an idea what type of background to use. You can use Canva for creating the background. So they are saying who they are in the cover page. Next is your headline. Yeah. Next is your headline. Your headline should be creative. If you are a creative writer of an agency, you are writing as creative writer as 𝗺cie company. If you are a MCA student, you are showcasing like MCA at 𝗺cie college. Or if you are a BCom student, you are showcasing like BCom at 𝗺cie college. Okay. So this is not showing me anything specific about you. There are tons of profile which have similar kinds of headline. What is unique in you? If I am saying that I write stories to help people to discover their true potential, which means he is a creative writer. You have to be creative in your headline. I write stories to help people people to discover their true potential. Next, he is a programmer. Everyone put their headline like programmer at XYZ company or something else. So you can there is nothing unique in you. You have to put like this, a person who is writing. I write a person who is writing that I code to automate stuff. That is a programmer. You have to be specific in your headline. So programmer at XYZ company. Okay, so basically headline should cover three questions: what, who, how. So I bake stories for selling products and services to IT professionals. So answer all these questions. The first question, what does he do? The person who sell products and services, which is coming in the headline, selling products and services. Okay. For whom? Those who sell products and services. He sell products and services to IT professionals. And the last question, how does he do and what he does? He does baking stories, which means he is a creative writer. You have to be specific in your headline. Okay, everyone clear? Okay, so you can take a screenshot of this. So you have to cover three questions: what, who, how. First question, what does he do? Second question, for who does he sell products and services? And the third question is, how does he do and what he does? Okay. So once this session is over, I know nobody will update their headline because it needs some time. I think you are all AI generation audience here. So you can use this ChatGPT prompt to generate your headline. I'll put the prompt here. You can take a screenshot and try it out. And please use unique headline for your profile. You can take the screenshot of this. Okay, I hope you took the screenshot. Okay, next is the about session. So this is your elevator pitch. Hook the readers in the first three lines. They are visible before clicking see more. Structure. So your about session should be categorized into four categories. First one, hook. Second one is the key achievement. Third one is your skills or expertise. And fourth one is the call to action. So first, the hook. Start with your mission, passion, or a bold statement. For example, I help startup turn technical jargons into customer-centric narratives. And the key achievement, quantify your impact. Lead a team that boosted organic traffic 300% in 6 months. Skills and expert, highlight 3 to 5 core strengths aligned to your target audience needs. And last one is the call to action. Invite people to connect or collaborate. So you can, if you are students, make sure that you need to add your mail ID here, or you can add Google Drive link after uploading your resume in the Google Drive. So basically your about section should contain 4 categories. First one, the hook. Second one, the key achievement. Third one is skills and expertise. And fourth one is the call to action. Make sure that your content format is like this. Not you not like putting like managed social media content. Instead of, you have to put grew Instagram followers by 200% in 6 months, driving a 30% increase in website traffic. Your content format should be like this. Like you have to mention your key achievements in your about session. Am I clear to everyone? Hello. Okay. Now I'll share my LinkedIn screen. Yeah. So basically we have discussed the hope my screen sharing is visible to everyone. My LinkedIn screen is visible to everyone. Okay, so we have discussed how to set a good profile picture, how to set a cover page, how to set a unique headline. Okay, then we have discussed the about session. So let me summarize these things once more. So make sure that you give enough headroom in your profile. Make sure that if you are wearing a light color dress, then your background should be dark. Then use a nice background image. You can use Canva software for designing this cover page. Then we have discussed the headline. So I have given the headline like, I help students, freshers, professionals, startup and business to build their personal brand. Then we discussed about the about session. I have given my about session in a different format. You can use the format that I have given to you. Next, we are going to our education session. So you have to click on this pencil button to edit your education session, and you have to click on this pencil button. So while you are doing your graduation, make sure that you mention your college name in the space of school, then your degree, which degree you are doing, and your field of study, start date, end date, your grades, and mention the activities that you have done in your college. You have to use that content format that I have shown in that slide, and you have to mention the description. Also, don't forget to mention skills that you have achieved from your college. Okay, am I clear to everyone? Also, you have to add medias. Hello, you get to add your photos, your achievements, your awards, your certificates. You can add here. Okay, after graduating from the college, you have to change your college name to university. You have to give the school as your university, so your reach will increase much more. Okay, next we will go, you can also add your PG education as well here. Next we will go to our experience session. So if you don't have any experience, don't worry, go to 𝗺liche. 𝗺liche is a website. Okay, you can go to 𝗺liche. You can get a free virtual work experience program from the top companies. Yeah, you can do HSBC, Goldman Sachs, Electronic. You can do virtual work experience. You'll get virtual work experience from these companies, and you can add those experience in your LinkedIn profile. And make sure that while you are adding experience, just give me some time. While you are adding experience, you have to give the thing in bulleted points, and it should be measurable like this. Help the founders and professionals to build magnetic personal brands, run digital marketing campaigns that make brands unforgettable, transformed 1,000+ professionals through LinkedIn coaching, mentored 2,000+ students to craft their dream careers. And don't forget to mention your skill set. Also, you can add your license and certification like this. Also, you can add photos like this. You have to use that art media option so that you can showcase your achievements through photos. I have added all my license and certification, and you can add volunteering section, and make sure that you have added all this skill set that is available, that is known, or your skill set is updated on LinkedIn, and get endorsed by your college friends or your faculties or your team lead. Make sure that you get the endorsement so that your profile will reach more. So you can add your skill set. Don't forget to get endorsement from your colleagues and your friends, and then you can recommend. You can use this recommend session. You can give recommendation, as well as you can give recommendation to your colleagues. Okay, then you can add your publications, then your honors and awards, your language, your interest. Next we will move to another important thing, how to find jobs using LinkedIn. So go to this job icon, and let me search India. So if you want a job in graphic designer, you should search like graphic designer, and you have to click on this all filters. So you'll get lot of options from there. So you have to click on this option, most recent or most relevant. Okay, I have searched for graphic designers, the date posted anytime, past month, past week, past 24 months, the level of experience you have, internship, entry level, associate, mid, director, executive, the companies you need to work. So I am sorting my job search in a very good way, very optimized way. I have most recent, I need past 24 hours and past week. My experience level is internship, entry level, and associate. I am clicking all these three, and I am also clicking the mid senior level. So I am interested to work in EY, Accenture in India. Okay, then I need a job type of full-time, part-time. I'm searching for both. Then I have to give my option remote or on-site or hybrid. I'm giving this on-site. Then I am selecting my location. I am selecting Kochi and Bengaluru. So then I'm clicking for a job function. I'm clicking for design, show result. So yeah, you can customize your job search like this. So there are 3 vacancies and 120 alumni work here. So 120 alumni from Marian College is working EY. So yeah. So there are vacancy for senior graphic designers, senior graphic designers, senior graphic designers. Both 3 vacancies are in Kochi itself. Okay. Okay, so this is one way of identifying job vacancies through LinkedIn. You have to use this all filter features so that you can customize your job search. Okay, I'm resetting all these things. So if I am converting my Marian College or Marian alumni to MG University, I'll get lot of alumni. For example, graphic designer, there is no alumni here. For example, same graphic designer search. So graphic designer, senior graphic designer. So, okay. So the skills they need is user-centric mindset, creative, innovative, and analytical approach, working knowledge for creating infographic, data visualization technique, typography, excellent communication, attention to details, ability to interact, understanding. So before applying for this job, make sure that you go to your skill session, you go to your skill session and art skill session, typography, communication skills. Make sure that your skill session is updated what as per your job requirement. Hope it's clear to everyone. You have to update your skill session based on the company's preference. Hello. Any doubts so far? Hello. Clear. Okay. Atulyesh. Okay. Yes. Yes. Clear. Yes, sir. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Jasmine, Shruti, Christo. So next you have to go to your featured session. Make sure that while you are, yeah, Karthik Krishnan, thank you. Okay, while if you are applying for some job, make sure that your profile is content rich, because while your recruiter is visiting your profile, make sure that your profile is content rich. You have to add your feature session, your about session, then you have to mention your experience, then you have to showcase your license and certification, volunteering, your skills. Especially make sure that you get enough endorsement from your college students or from your colleagues, and uh, get recommendation from your teachers, your friends, everyone, that you ask recommendation from your teachers, mentors, guides, etc. And you have to go to art profile session, and if you have anything to be added to your profile, you have to show from this art session. Okay. So I'll showcase one more time how to edit your custom URL. Go to this public profile URL. So you have to edit your custom URL. You have to edit your custom URL from here. Basically, it will show your name and some numbers. Along with that, you have to edit your custom URL for better optimization. Then only if some HR manager search your name like this, okay, see, you can see the custom URL here. Okay, let me see. This is actually my profile. Just wait 1 second. I'll show no ignition. Sorry, something happened to my. Yeah.
It's 8 o'clock.
Some issues to my screen. Just hold for 1 second. Sorry, just give me 1 minute time. So if I am searching my name using my full name, you can see my LinkedIn profile appeared first. The reason why, because I have edited my custom URL here. That is one reason. If you search your name, the LinkedIn or the Google spiders will showcase our profile first. So basically you have to edit your custom URL. So in a nutshell, today we have discussed the profile picture. Just close this thing. Profile picture. Then we discussed the custom URL, background image, the headline. Then we discussed the about session. Then we discussed our experience. I have given a tip to add how to add more experience to your field. You can use 𝗺cie for add your experience or certification, as well as you can also add license. And there are a lot of certification that are freely available in the website, like Google Ad Display, Google Ad Search certification, Google Analytics, fundamentals of digital marketing, SEO fundamentals. So you can as much as certificates from the internet, or you can do course from Coursera, courses like that. And you have to mention your volunteering skills, and you have to add skill set. and you have to get recommendation from your mentors, teachers, etc. And you have to mention your project in the publication, your degree project or PG project, and you have to mention the honors and awards, etc., etc. And we have discussed how to search a job. You can use this advanced feature for searching the jobs, and make sure that you have to given the job title, and you have to use the all filters, and you can customize your job requirement. And for this okay, just one second. So again, my screen having some issues. I don't know why. So if you are applying for a job, make sure that you check your skill set. Here, the graphic designer at 𝗺𝗵𝗆, they having requirements of skill set, creativity, innovation, design skill, 5 or more years of experience, and the software skills like InDesign, Photoshop, Figma, excellent communication and presentation skill, organization and time management skills, and then desire to continue build skill set, education and training, and preferred skills and qualification. They have mentioned 3 or more years experience, bachelor's degree, working knowledge, WordPress, etc., etc. If you click on this apply button, there are 2 options: easy LinkedIn apply, and the other one is you will go to redirect to their website, and you can apply from there. So you can use apply with LinkedIn. You can give your first name, last name, email, phone number, resume, covering letter, etc., etc., and you can submit. After updating your profile, you have to go to this profile icon, view profile. Then you have to go to resources, then click on this save to PDF. Then go to 𝗁𝗈𝗆𝗺𝗆.com. That is a website that will check our score of resume score or the LinkedIn score, whether our profile is optimized or not. Go to login. Just give me 1 minute time. Let me log in. Okay, from here go to this LinkedIn and upload your LinkedIn profile. Click on this thing and go to this okay, you can use this upload and profile. I am uploading this profile. Okay. So my overall score is 58. So my headline score is 10 out of 10. And my education session is perfect, 10 out of 10, and others 10 out of 10. My experience and summary is created for not for students. Like I am not applying for a job, I am communicating or I am engaging with business people. So I edited my summary session and experience session in such a way that so that I can get clients from the industry. This is not for a student thing. So you can use this resume word tool to customize your LinkedIn profile. So you can edit, you can take the assistance of AI coach, this score check, what all mistake you have to. So here there is no call to action found, improve your reliability. Then skill session of bottom of your summary session, ineffective buzzword used, possible spelling errors. So you can edit your LinkedIn profile after edit your LinkedIn profile by using this resume wallet.com. Hope it's clear to everyone. Now the session is open for all. You can ask your doubts about LinkedIn. How to get endorsed? Okay. How to get endorsed? Okay. If I'm going to someone's profile, wait, just give me some time. I have something happen to. Oh, so just give me 1 minute time. So I'm going to this profile. She's my friend, my colleague. Okay, I'll go to her profile. So going to the skill session. There are a lot of skills she added. So I have took one sustainability SEMA. I'm going to click on this endorse button. So I'm endorsing my colleague uh, that she is best for sustainability. I am endorsing her for financial modeling. I am endorsing her for team management. You can connect with your colleague or college students or your friends and get endorsed. So she get one endorsement from me. If my friends is searching for a suitable finance professional, definitely I'll recommend her to or I'll endorsing her skills to endorsing skills to the company. Hope Atulya's doubt is cleared. Any other doubts? You can see the chat screen. Yeah, clear. So what is your key takeaway today? One is enough. Can you type in the chat box, please? What is your key takeaway today? Hello. Finding job effectively. Okay. Thank you, Sen. Okay, only one. Before, thank you. Okay, Manya Raj, resume worded, haven't heard of it. You can use any softwares for that. I'm giving an example, resume worded. You can use it for your resume editing for ATS, maintaining the ATS score as well. So editing the profile, finding job easily, Shruti, editing the public profile URL. Okay. Okay, is it okay to create sample profile and then edit accordingly? Yes, Jasmine, that's okay. You can create a sample profile, then editing according is very good. Adjusting your LinkedIn according to job description, proper usage of LinkedIn. Okay. Okay. Any other doubts regarding the LinkedIn? So you can use a Boolean search for your to finding jobs as well. Go to any site and you generate your own Boolean search URL, and job title, you can give your job title, for example, for a business analyst. And job title or job title keyword to include, job title or title keyword excluded. You can include the company name. For example, I am adding EY, comma, Apple, comma, IBM, etc. You can names or company exclude. For I am excluding GT, Grand Thornton, and you can include and exclude keywords. And from here you can copy string here and go to LinkedIn, and you can paste it on the search bar. So from there you can click on jobs. So see how we find out business analyst from IBM company. So this is how you can use this tool for searching for jobs. I hope it's clear. Can use these tools also for searching for your job. Okay, any doubts? So you can follow my Instagram. If you have any queries, you can send your doubts to my Instagram. I have done several videos. I got a comment from Selvin. All jobs on LinkedIn real, or are they fake ones? If there are fake jobs, how can I identify them? Okay. Basically, if this job is offered from IBM company, so we'll click on this business analyst job. So if you click on this job, we will redirect it to their official page. You can make sure that the company, they are posted from the official company's page. So overview, they posted from their official page itself. So we can make sure that the vacancy available here is the original one, not the fake ones. So some comment on YouTube, can we watch this video after the live ends? Maybe the technical team will help you. Selvin, please check company's profile before you are applying for a job. Normally, I conduct this session as a workshop, not like this online thing. Hope you can follow the instruction. If you have any queries regarding your profile picture or like background image, headline, about anything, you can use ChatGPT for creating all those things, or you can use this AI tool. I'll share the AI tool. Just wait to see. You can use this AI tool for creating these contents. Cloud AI. Okay, what if it's a small company instead of knowing company like IBM. If you are applying in a small companies like so if you are applying companies like, for example, yeah, I don't know it's a big company or not, WAP group. So I'm going to click on this group, WAP group. And this company is a business consulting and service based in Dubai, and the company has 194 followers, and 200 to 500 employees are here. Okay, I'll go to this job session. There are a lot of vacancies there, and I'll click on the people's. So SEO at WAP group. Okay, make sure that you have any alumni or your friends are working there, or go to their profile. So you can interact with those people who are working in that company, and you can get a suggestion from that person itself. So this is how we use LinkedIn for networking. Recently, I had an interaction with one of the CEOs of the ice cream brand, and I put a pitch to him. He agreed to do that business. This is all about networking. We have to build our brand through LinkedIn. So Atulya asked one question: what if I want to start over my career in another field, to switch over to new domain? Then can I change my entire skill set and my new skills and set? Yeah, Atulya, you can remove your skill set here. Basically, you can add your skills. Along with that skill set, you can add the new skill set for your new job. While if you are switching your career, you have to add this top skill session so that you can apply for new job. If a recruiter visiting your profile, first he go to the profile picture, then he go to the cover page. So if I am a recruiter, I'm going to this profile picture. The profile picture is nice, background image is nice. I go to the headline. Yeah, you make things curious. Then I'll go to this see more option. The first 3 line is very important. It should be a hook. The hook must lead him to read the entire session. If he clicks the see more session, we can explain our brand through this about session. After this, you can see the top skills. So you can add new skills along with the existing skills so that you can apply for new jobs. Okay, I hope Atulya's doubts is clear. So you have to post a comment your contents related to your profile. You have to mention your purpose first, or you have to decide what is your purpose. Then you have to connect with people, those who having the same interest and those who having connection from the same industry. Okay, if there is nothing else, then we can wind up for now. Thank you for everyone for your time. If you have any doubts, you can connect me later as well. I'm handing over the mic to the coordinator.
Okay, sir. Thank you for your valuable words. The feedback link for today's session is provided in the chat. Please go through it. Okay. If you have any more doubts, you can ask her. And we have reached the end of our session. Thank you for everyone for joining this session. Once again, thank you all and have a pleasant night. Thank you.